Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has announced that Delhi will be under a 6-day lockdown from 10 p.m. tonight to 5 a.m. on Monday, calling it a necessary step to prevent a bigger crisis in the capital. Kejriwal said ICU beds were almost over and oxygen levels were critically low. All private offices will work from home and only government offices and essential services will be open. On Sunday, Delhi recorded the biggest jump in its daily COVID tally with 25,462 fresh cases and a positivity rate of nearly 30%. Hit by the second COVID wave, India recorded 2,73,810 fresh infections and 1,619 deaths in a new record high, taking the caseload to 1.5 crores. 1.78 lakh people have died so far. This is the fifth straight day that over 2 lakh cases were reported. The government on Sunday said it has increased the supply of medical oxygen to 12 high-burden states, including Maharashtra, which is the highest caseload in the country. The Railways is also preparing to run oxygen express trains via green corridors to give a boost to the fight against COVID. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a meeting to discuss the coronavirus crisis in the country as India battles an unprecedented surge in cases that saw a new record high today with over 2.73 lakh fresh infections. The meeting began around 11:30 a.m. today. This is the second consecutive day that Prime Minister is holding a meeting over COVID surge. On Sunday, PM Modi reviewed the COVID situation in Varanasi, his Lok Sabha constituency, and stressed on the need for vaccination for people over 45 years of age. Trinamool Congress leader Derek O'Brien on Sunday tweeted that Mamata Banerjee will not campaign in Kolkata anymore. On April 26, Banerjee will only hold a symbolic meeting on the last day of the campaigning in the state capital. She has slashed the time for all her election rallies in all districts to just 30 minutes. West Bengal has seen a sudden spike in COVID-19 cases as the state registered its highest single-day spike of 8,419 fresh infections on Sunday. Amid the row over remdesivir supply, Shiv Sena MLA Sanjay Gaikwad has said that if he would have found the coronavirus, he would have put it into the mouth of BJP leader Devendra Fadnavis, sparking protests by the opposition party in Maharashtra. Former Chief Minister Fadnavis is being targeted by the ruling parties in Maharashtra for objecting to Mumbai Police's grilling of a pharma company's top executive over alleged shocking of vials of remdesivir, which is in high demand for treating COVID-19 patients.